I don't think it would be a good thing for Ricky and me.
You know what? You are a smart cookie.
We know that Newton was a really smart cookie.
Exactly! They're bears! You're one smart cookie.
Okay, I know what you're all thinking. Who is this smart little cookie? Her name is Brenda.
Rox, that's it. That's your name.
You are one smart cookie, you know that?
You finally noticed, huh?
Wouldn't it have been easier to use a door, Chancellor?
Maybe for you, smart cookie, but I am a chancellor.
Uncle Stan, are you seriously shoplifting from a witch? That sounded like a curse.
That sounded like a curse! Hey, anyone want to buy a wet blanket? We got a wet blanket for sale!
I don't want to be that person.
You mean the wet blanket wife?
No, I mean the person you talk to about dumb things.
Get it out of my house.
Fine. Come on, Jolene.
Fortunately, this time, I don't have to be the wet blanket.
I know you. If you don't get the place, you'll sulk, and I'll be the wet blanket.
I'll sulk.
How about you, Captain? What's your call sign?
I will be Captain Raymond Holt.
I knew you wouldn't play ball. And that is why your call sign is Wet Blanket.
Never thought of that.
I'm not wild about these high-risk ventures. They sound a little risky.
Oh, Marge, you are such a wet blanket.
I used to be a people person.
Look, Glenn, you're still a people person.
I wish the internet had never been invented.
Why do you think you'd make a good pharmaceutical sales rep?
Well, I'm a people person. People like me. Some of my favorite people are people.
Maybe I could help with this, you know. I mean, I'm a people person, and people like you need a person to deal with people. A people person like me. Oh, my God.
Do you need a hand here? I'm a people person.
What quality would make you a good sales associate?
People person?
So maybe you should hire her.
I know how to treat people.
You're a people person, obviously.
I am.
She's getting hit. I'm not sure who's doing it. Maybe Sheriff Rand? He's not exactly a people person. I guess that's what I am. A people person.
Look, you're gonna become the first alien couch potato, and I'm not kidding. Now give me that. Give me that thing.
What are you talking about, you corrupt couch potato?
Look, I know I wasn't marrying a couch potato, and I don't know how to say this.
Let me show you what I'm talking about. The human mouth is called a pie hole. The human being is called a couch potato. That is the device to summon food.
I look forward to being a couch potato for a while.
My name's Rita. I'm from Idaho, but trust me, I ain't no couch potato.
He spent most of his days sitting on the couch watching TV. What was once a productive senior citizen was now reduced to a couch potato.
Come on, man. Maybe this one will put out, unlike that cold fish Jessica.
Jessica's anything but a cold fish, all right?
Carla, everyone likes you so much. It makes me wonder why all your patients think you're a cold fish. Oh my God, you noticed? No, honey, they told me.
If he didn't leap over the family heirlooms and whip you up in his arms, then sod it.
Yes, he's clearly the most dreadful cold fish.
Well, did he seem kind? Clever? I've been told he's a cold fish.
I didn't notice.
Rita, they have a fish shop and a chip shop.
The fish goes on the chips.
No, the chips go on the fish.
Nobody likes cold fish.
You're a cold fish.
Well, you married me, didn't you?
That is ridiculous.
I know. I mean, personally, I find you a bit of a cold fish.
That's a very serious charge.
I've met this Mr. Fisk. He is a cold fish.